Hi there kids! Today let's learn to spell the colors. Let's get started. Red, R-E-D, red. Roses are red. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. The car is blue. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. The hat is black. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. The dove is white. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. The bear is brown. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. The eggplant is purple. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. The flamingo is pink. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. The flower is yellow. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The carrots are orange. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. The grass is green. Gray, G-R-E-Y, gray. The rainy clouds are gray. Now let's do it fast. Red, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Gray, G-R-E-Y, gray. G-R-E-Y, gray. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Kids, now we are going to read real quick, okay? Blue, orange, black, red, green, yellow, brown, white, gray, purple. pink. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.